Okay, it is April 19th, and there's a jet that's going way too fast to be 30,000 feet high, unless it's going about 5,500 miles an hour. And if you view closely, because 30,000 miles, or 30,000 feet high is the height for creating a contrail, and that's water condensation. Does that look like your breath on a cold day? Because that's what a contrail is. And there it goes way too fast to be 30,000 feet high. So there's a chemtrail sliver. Once in a while a few get through, but there's a simple trick and to getting rid of the chemtrails. And there's another chemtrail sliver. These dissolve quite quickly, usually within 10 minutes, but it's probably going to be a half hour, it looks like. The time is about 1:15 Los Angeles, and this is the reason why the chemtrails are dissolving so quickly as soon as they come out of the jet. Even when they spray even when they're spraying 3 jets at a time. And there's that same jet going off the horizon now. Again, way too fast to be a normal jet that's flying, that's at a height of 30,000 feet. Now I'll tell you right now, these 2 pyramids are inactive because well, this is the one that's working, and there's a simple trick to make it work. So please view the pyramid for sale at the link on the description here. You can also view the other videos to find the secret for the new simple trick for getting rid of chemtrails. Thanks for your purchases, by the way. Your purchases, the first step is to help Mother Earth survive, and the next step is for Mother Earth and all her inhabitants to thrive. Okay, thank you. Bye.